Hi friends, welcome to Success Biryani channel for your personal growth and the growth of your kids. It helps you to grow in a better way. So before I start anything else, I'd like to request you to press the subscribe button and the adjacent bell button so that whenever I'll be giving the new contents, it hits to your screen and you can get the first level information without fail. So today's topic is how to become popular. See, in this world, among 500 crores of people, almost all of them want to become popular. They want to become very close to the others. They want to earn respect. They want to be recognized in their life, right? So popularity actually brings all these things together. So to become popular and on-demand person in your life, there are few formulas which you can apply. We are going to discuss in our present session. See, you have landed to this channel Success Biryani maybe after searching for a long time. Now what is your expectation from this channel? From this channel you want to learn something so that you can apply it to your life and can be benefited, okay, in turn, right? So can I give you something which is not known or which is not common? No, I cannot, because I cannot make any magical thing which will change your life. What I can do is I'm throwing some light to the dark areas to gain popularity. Now, if you are benefited with that, I know you will make this channel popular. Okay, you will refer this channel, you will subscribe this channel, you will tell about this channel, you will forward the link to different forums, to your relatives, to your close friends, right? If I cannot satisfy you, you will not do anything. That is very common, isn't it? So what I'm trying to say is, if you want to become popular, you have to give some benefit to the others. More you give the benefits and more the greater audience you have, you will become more popular day by day. It's a chain effect. Any popular person, say a vocalist or say gymnast, everybody is actually giving a solution or filling a blank of his trade, and the moment a person comes and fills the blank of his trade, he becomes popular. I can give you a very small example, okay, but very effective. I know one of my friends who is something around 12 or 13. His name is Saurav. So Saurav was not much popular in his class, but he had a little inclinedness to become popular in his life. So what he did is he started discussing about this problem with one of his elder friends, and he gave him a small tip, okay, which ultimately, and sort of worked onto it, and ultimately it worked, and now he has become the most popular boy of his school. Saurav identified like a maths teacher who comes daily in their class and gives his lecture, but nobody is actually understanding the maths. Okay, so Saurav, what he did is one day he picked up a chapter on which the teacher gave the lecture. Okay, he went back to his home, he started working on it. He failed, couple of times he failed. Then he took some reference in internet. He called up his elder brother and also the students who used to study higher than him, and finally he made a funda. He made a funda about that chapter. Okay, he did the entire thing within 3-4 days. After 3 or 4 days, when he went to the school in the tiffin break, he started discussing about that chapter with his friends very informally, not formally, because people will reject you. Because the formal interaction always happen with the teacher, okay, and informal things are with the friends. So he started interacting, started talking about some solutions to the friends who were close to him, 3 or 4 friends maybe. These 3 or 4 friends suddenly found Saurabh was not that active in his studies, and suddenly he started, discussing all these things. So they talked about himself to the larger audience, okay, and they started joining with sort of in the tiffin breaks and all, and that ball started rolling, and it became infectious from his section to the other sections. People started coming to understand a problem about that chapter to himself, and he used to give a very easy solution with their language, okay. So Saurabh, because the ball started rolling from one class to another, and now because Saurabh also got some encouragement from his friends and other teachers, and he started working on other chapters as well. Now he is completely baselined his popularity, and people generally come to him in case they are stuck. So that way he became very, very popular. Everybody talks about him with respect, okay. So this is how, with this small example, we find a solution to become popular. There are 3-4 steps. Number 1, identify a problem which is a problem of a greater mass. Then you start working on to it. Once you are confident and gain some funda about that particular topic, you have to giving some solution to that audience so that they can be benefited from you. And once they started getting the benefit from yourself, they start rolling your success ball, okay. This is very simple. Take any small and simple problem, anything it could be. Just pick up a problem, implement my 3-4 steps, and you will experience the taste of success very easily.